concord, harmony. Every smile becomes a flame. Love is more than just a name. Every heartbeat softly sings. Healing comes on gentle wings. Leave behind the fear and pride. Walk together side by side. Every dream begins to grow when compassion starts to flow. Together we rise higher than the skies. Hope is our tomorrow, shining in our eyes. One heart, one song, together we belong. Peace becomes a rhythm, keeping us strong. Lift your light, lift your soul. Love will make the broken whole. Children laughing by the shore, teaching us to need no more. Simple blessings all around. Heaven lives within the sound. Mountains standing brave and tall, sheltering the hopes of all. Every kindness that we share leaves a little heaven there. Beat the drum for every nation, building bridges through creation. Justice walks with mercy's grace, lighting every human face. No more walls between our dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Hope will always find a way, like the dawn of every day. The ocean keeps singing, the sunrise keeps shining, the drums keep calling, the spirit keeps rising. Morning sun is painting every way with gold. Gentle winds are carrying stories yet untold. Every breath reminds me life is meant to flow, like the rivers to the on calling, leading every step I take. Lift your eyes beyond the skyline. Love is brighter than the rain. Every heartbeat finds a reason. Every loss becomes a gain. Shine your island light. Let your spirit rise. Hope is in the breeze, written through the sky. One heart, one flame, every soul the same. Peace begins within, love remains. Palm trees dancing softly underneath the moon. Stars become a choir singing nature's tune. Children laugh together where the shoreline bends. Simple moments often make the richest ends. Drums are softly speaking, echoes through the night. Every soul connected by the everlasting light. Ancient voices carry through the hills, teaching hearts to simply stand still. No fear can overcome the truth we know. Together we are stronger as we grow. Deep bass meditation, clean up beat guitar skanks, warm analog organ, tasteful analog horn responses. Spring reverb guitar, tape echo delays, Nyabinghi amplification, Nyabinghi hand drums, ocean ambience, soft percussion layers. Shine your island light. Every dream can grow like the rising tide. Every heart will know. Lift your hand, stand as one. Celebrate the sun. Peace forever lives inside everyone. The waves keep rolling, the breeze keeps singing, hope keeps growing, love keeps living. Dub tape echoes on alarm horns, ocean waves, gentle birds, warm bass groove. every storm, teaching hearts to stay reborn. Love will always find a way, brighter than yesterday. Hold your faith above the fear, let your purpose draw you near. Every sunrise tells us all, together we will never fall. Rise with the morning, stand in the light, carry your fire through every line. One world, one voice, rhythm in the sound. Stand together, strong and true. The earth is calling me and you. No mountain too high, no valley too wide. Faith will always be our guide. Let compassion lead the way, building hope with every day. Every heartbeat tells the same. Love is greater than our name. Classic one-drop drums, crisp offbeat guitar, Skanks, Hawaiian acoustic hip-hop that's strong. Organ again swells, all like the kind improvisation. Analog trumpet phrases, tenor sax harmonies. Nyabinghi hand drums, congas and shakers. Spring reverb guitar, vintage tape echo. Spacious dove delay, ocean waves and tropical birds. Final ocean, we're sailing on an ocean of praise. Every smile can light a place. Hope is stronger every day. Love will always lead the way. Raise your hands, raise your light. Keep believing, hold on tight. One heart, one sky, one destiny. Together forever, wild and free. The waves keep rolling, the breeze keeps singing. The stars keep shining. Love keeps growing. Morning paints the ocean bright, golden colors, pure delight. Every breeze begins to say, leave your worries far away. Mountains whisper to the sea, live your truth and simply blessings we all know. Every river finds its place, every smile reveals its grace. Kindness travels with the wind, healing hearts again and again. Stand together through the fire, lift each other even higher. Truth is rooted deep below, like the oldest trees that grow. Hear the ancient drums proclaim, every soul contains a flame. Peace begins inside the heart, that's where every change can start. That's where every change can sky. Drum red, deep analog bus meditation. Relapse one drop drum groove, clean reggae guitar Skanks, Hawaiian acoustic guitar test strengths, have organ swells, road electric piano manana, improvisation, analog trumpet melodies, tenor sax responses, Nyabinghi hand drums, congas and shakers, spring reverb guitar, vintage tape of old, spacious Dunkeled, ocean waves and tropical ambience. Beyond the blue horizon, every dream can fly. Lift your hands together, reach beyond the sky. One voice, one life, one family, living every moment naturally. Hope forever grows, love forever stays. Peace will guide our hearts through all our days. The tide keeps rolling, the wind keeps calling, the stars keep glowing, love keeps flowing. brighter days are always near. Orange finger change, deep melody in a love bass line. Classic one drop drum groove, crisp off beat guitar Skanks. Hawaiian finger style of boosted guitar. Warm hum and derby organ swells. Rhodes electric piano leg strills. Malagan tag in sensation. Analog trumpet melodies. Tenor saxophone harmonies. Jungle conga lines. Nyabinghi hand drums. Congas, bongos and shakers. Spring reverb guitar. Lunatic straight big look. Spacious cantilevers. Ocean soul. And the arts. Drop Bilby vibes and evening days. one. Every kindness leaves a seed, growing into every need. Every smile becomes a spark, shining brightly through the dark. Beat the drum with open hands. Peace is built across all lands. Justice walks beside compassion, changing hearts through loving action. No division, no disguise. Truth is written in the sky. Faith becomes the guiding flame. Love forever stays the same. The instrumental journey, deep analog bass line with melodic movement. Classic one-drop drum groove, crisp offbeat reggae guitar skanks. Hawaiian finger-style acoustic guitar, vintage Shemet organ swells. Rhodes electric piano voicings, jazz-inspired melodic improvisation. Analog trumpet melodies, tenor saxophone rings, warm trombone counterlines. Nyabinghi hand drums, congas and bongos, shakers and tambourine, vintage tape echo, spring reverb guitar, top delay drone, filter sweeps, ocean waves, and tropical night ambience. Final echoes of tomorrow, guiding every heart. Even in the becomes a song where every soul can still belong. Let the mountains hear your voice. Hope is always still a choice. Through the storm we learn to see love becomes our destiny. Freedom in the breeze, flowing through the trees. Every step reminds us life was made for peace. One heart, one flame, every soul the same. Together we keep rising, calling out your name. Let the rivers run beneath the morning sun. Hope will keep on growing until the day is done. Children laughing by the shore, teaching us to need no more. Simple joys become our guide, like the endless ocean tide. Hands together build the way. One small kindness every day. Every seed that love has grown turns the earth into a home. Stand for truth with open hands. Lift your sisters, lift your friends. No division, no disguise. Only hope beneath these skies. Ancient rhythm softly call. Love is strong enough for all. Faith will carry every dream far beyond the distant stream. Broken stones break division. Classic one-drop drum groove. Crisp offbeat reggae guitar scans. Hawaiian fingers early tools for guitar. Hammer organ squares. Rhodes electric guitar. I like occasional sensation. Analog trumpet melodies, tenor sax melodies, trombone accents, Nyabinghi hand drums, congas, bongos, shakers, spring reverb guitar, vintage tape echo, dub filter sweeps, ocean surf onions, tropical birds and evening breeze, final rare. Freedom in the breeze, shining through the trees. Every heart united, living peacefully. Raise your light, stand as one, celebrate the rising sun. Hope forever grows, love forever stays. Every step together lights a brighter way. The ocean keeps singing, the wind keeps dancing, the stars keep watching. sunlight fills the bay. Golden dreams begin the day. Gentle waves upon the shore teach the heart to ask no more. Every breeze brings songs of grace, smiles upon each passing face. Simple moments softly bloom, turning darkness into June. Feel the rhythm, feel the rain. Every blessing breaks the chain. Hold your faith, stand up tall. Love has room, enough for all. Island heartbeat, carry me home, where the rivers forever flow. One love rising, strong and free, like the moonlight across the sea. Lift your spirit, touch the sky. Every dream can learn to fly. Children dancing in the sand, bending hope with gentle hands. Old guitars begin to sing. Joy is found in simple things. Mountains guard the setting sun, reminding us we're all as one. Every kindness that we share leaves a little heaven there. No matter where the road may bend, compassion always finds a friend. Stand for justice, walk in peace. Let forgiveness never cease. Hear the drums beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Faith grows stronger day by day, lighting every traveler's way. Back in Shemot Great, deep melodic along bassline. Let's one drop drum groove, crisp offbeat guitar skanks, Hawaiian finger style of she guitar, vintage and organ swells, Rhodes electric piano textures, a lot in Cayenne improvisation, analog trumpet melodies, tenor sax harmonies, trumpet and sense, Nyabinghi hand drums, congas and shakers, spring reverb guitar, classic tape echo delays, dub filter sweeps, ocean surf ambience, tropical birds and evening breeze, finding all. Island heartbeat, guide us home, through every valley, every road we've known. One word singing, side by side, hope forever, be our guide. Raise your hands, raise your light, by eternity. Every wave begins to sing songs that only freedom brings. Gentle winds embrace the night, guiding every soul to life. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped inside amazing grace. Though the road may rise and fall, love is greater than it all. We stand together hand in hand, healing every distant land. Under one moon, under one sky, hope keeps rising higher and high. One heart, one sound, roots forever strong. Together we'll keep marching on. Let the rivers flow, let compassion grow. Every seed of love will surely show. Mountain echoes softly call, nature's wisdom guides us all. Every child deserves to know peace is where our spirits grow. Every sunrise starts again, bringing healing through the rain. Simple kindness changes lives, keeping every dream alive. Hear the heartbeat of creation, love becomes our foundation. No more walls between our souls, only rivers flowing whole. Lift the weak, defend the truth, carry hope to every youth. Stand courageous, stand as one. The work of peace has just begun. Relax one drop drum, clean reggae guitar scan, Hawaiian finger style acoustic begun. Have an organ swell, Rhodes electric piano, perica, improvisation, analog trumpet fill every loop, tenor saxophone on the leads, trumpet accent, Nyabinghi hand drum, congas, one goes, shakers, fingers tape echo, spring reverend, spacer stangile, ocean hay, night insects, gentle tropical Andean. Under one moon, together we stand, building tomorrow across every land. Raise your voice, raise your light, keep believing through the night.